In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to set up recurring transactions. Whether you're a small business owner or managing your personal finances, automating processes like these can save you loads of time in the long run. So let's get started. First things first, let's head over to the QuickBooks homepage. You can easily do this by entering the URL into your browser. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. QuickBooks is designed to be user-friendly, so even if this is your first time, you shouldn't find it too intimidating. Now, direct your attention to the navigation menu or toolbar. This is where you'll find all your options nicely laid out. You're going to want to click on the Highlight option. This function will let you spotlight the features and areas you need, making navigation simpler and a lot clearer. Next, you'll want to click on Recurring Transactions. Located under the Transactions menu, this area is vital if you plan on automating payments, tracking regular expenses, or even setting up routine invoices. Selecting this will bring you to a dedicated tab that houses all your current recurring transactions, if you have any set up. If not, don't worry, we're here to create some new ones. So, moving forward, look for the New button. This is typically in the upper right part of your screen. By clicking on New, you're opening the wizard that guides you through creating a new recurring transaction, be it a bill, invoice, or series of checks. You will notice another highlighted option here. Clicking on this highlight will ensure you've selected the correct type of recurring transaction you wish to make. Choosing the right option at this stage is crucial because different types of transactions will have specific settings and fields to fill out. The next few steps are about specifying the details of your recurring transaction. In this scenario, we want to set up a check. Locate and click on Check from the available transaction types. This allows you to automate regular payments through checks, which can be essential for vendors or third-party services that prefer this mode of payment. Almost there. Once everything is filled out to your satisfaction, find the OK button on the screen. Clicking this will confirm your new recurring transaction, adding it to your list instantly. It's as simple as that. And that's it, folks. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your finances are more streamlined and less prone to oversight. Remember, once your recurring transactions are set, you can always revisit and adjust them as needed. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to check out more of our content to help you make the most of QuickBooks.